Kathleen, a senior library assistant from the Ridgefield Community Library. Today, I'm going to try out one of the library's Take and Make kits. I've picked the Maker Inventor kit, and I'm excited to open it and see what's inside. These are the materials that I have for my Maker Inventor kit. These are the different items that I can use to make something. I'm not sure what I'm making yet, but this is all the cool stuff I have. My materials are I want to make something that moves, and my glue isn't very good, so maybe something without glue. I'm gonna look at my different supplies and see if I can come up with some ideas. With the materials I have, I think my best bet is to make a mobile. So my idea is to have something that can hang, and then the different pieces can move around. So I think I'm going to use my string to hold everything, and then maybe put a button at the bottoms to kind of act as a weight. I'm not sure how I'm going to make a hook or something at the top so I can hang it. And then I can put maybe different felt shapes on the ends of the straws. Maybe I can put the beads on there. I don't know if those will weigh too much. Or maybe use the pipe cleaners with some buttons on them. And hopefully they will just kind of spin around on the string. So let's give it a try. I have this nice big piece of felt, but the felt's actually pretty lightweight. So I'm going to try to draw some different shapes on the felt and then cut them out to put on my mobile. I have a pipe cleaner, and I'm wondering if I can put some of these beads on it. Try to spread the colors out a little bit. And I'm also curious if the weight will affect how this hangs, if I need to try to balance where the beads are. I'm gonna tie the big button to the end of the string to try and act as like a weight to pull the string down. So I'm going to tie the straws onto the string, and then I'm going to try to hang the different shapes from the straws. So I'm trying to spread them out a little bit so they're not too close together. So I fold it and then snip and snip, and that gives me a little slash to put the straw through, little tab. I'll try this one up a little higher and do the same thing, just kind of twist it around the string.
Here's the finished mobile. This is just one idea for the Take and Make kit, but the possibilities are endless. What does your finished project look like? Share your creation by tagging us on your social media. We look forward to seeing your creations.